Hi friends, today we'll discuss electoral bond scheme. So what is electoral bond scheme, how it will be useful, who can buy, and how this process will be, how to buy, whether required any KYC document. Okay, so electoral bonds basically for the political funding. All these electoral bonds are like a promissory note. So it is like a bearer banking instrument. So in this instrument, if you take a currency and the currency payee name will not be available and who has purchased name will not be available. If I am holding 100 rupees, this is my value. Same like these electoral bonds will not contain who is the buyer and who is the payee. So if you buy the bond and give it to any party, that money will become to that money can be taken by the party. So these are the bearer banking instruments. So what is the definition? So electoral bonds already we have discussed. This is a bearer banking instrument, nature of promissory note. So no payee, no buyer name will be available on the instrument. Authorized bank who can issue these bonds. State Bank of India is authorized to issue these bonds and encash the bonds in SBI only. Issuing branch, in which branch these electoral bonds are issued. For example, SBI Banjara Hills, SBI Mount Road. These are the issuing branches. So, who can buy these bonds? Individuals, Hindu undivided family, company, firms, all these people can buy these electoral bonds. So, what is the purchase and encashment of the bonds? So, purchase, yes, you can already we have discussed individuals, HUF, company, firms, association, these people they can buy the bonds, and to purchase it should be a citizen of India or organization should be in the India only. Okay, and if you buy a bond and giving to any political party, they should get minimum 1% of the votes. For example, in a constituency, they have 1 lakh voters. So, for any party, if they get minimum 1% means 1000 votes, then only these bonds can be encashed. So, these bonds can be you can buy individuals, companies, firms, and this will be given to the political parties. The political party should get minimum 1% of the votes in the previous or last general elections. Then only they are eligible to take these bonds. So, if you buy and give it to any political party, because if you buy, your name will not be there, paying will not be there. You give it to any political party, they'll deposit to their authorized bank account. Automatically, this amount will be transferred to political parties. So, whether to buy a electoral bonds, you need a documents, know your customer document. Yes, as per the RBI instructions, you have to submit the KYC document for buying electoral bonds. So, what are the denominations? So, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore denomination electoral bonds are available. If you want 500 rupees, 15,000, these bonds are not available. Only these denominations are only available. So, validity period. So, validity period, if you buy a bond, give it to any political party because the name is not written on the bond. You can give it to any political party. Within 15 days, they have to deposit in their account. So, when they deposit into their account, automatically the same day this amount will be credited. After 15 days, it will be expired. So, you buy a bond, give it to any political party. Within 15 days, they have to deposit into their account. So, this will be after issue within 15 days you have to submit to the political party should submit to the same thing into deposit into their account and this amount will be transferred, otherwise it will be expired. So, procedure making application. So, what and all process of the purchasing bond. So, one is physical, online, both are available. Okay. So, every application will be attached with specified documents, already we have discussed. Okay. And on the receipt of the issue branch, so once you receive the application, everything, that bank, SBI designated branch, they will issue the bonds, and these information will be confidentially kept in the records. And yes, know your customer complaint is mandatory as per the rules. So once you buy the bond, this is not refundable basis. So you have to give it to any political party only. Otherwise, it will be expired. You will not get any refundable basis. And periodicity of the issue. So daily they will issue these bonds. No, they will mention the period. So for example, January, April, July, and October, 10 days. These 4 months, they will open a window for 10 days. During that window, 10 days you can buy, but in special cases central government can give a additional days also. During the days also you can buy these bonds. Additional period of 30 days can be given. So what is the interest? If I buy a bond, whether I will get any interest? No, no interest will be paid on these bonds. Issuing office commission. So during the like some mutual fund, something, they'll get a commission. Agents will be there, insurance. But if you buy a electoral bond, there won't be any brokerage or any charges or any commission will not be paid to any third party person. Payment option. Yes, you can give a demand draft or check or electronic system, clearing system. Then with that you can buy a bond. So encashment of the bond. So if you buy a bond and give it to any political party, they'll deposit it to their account, okay, within 15 days. Otherwise, these amount will be credited to Prime Minister Relief Fund automatically. After 15 days, it will be expired. Expired amount will be credited to Prime Minister Relief Fund. So tax treatment, yes, as per the tax rules, you'll get exemption for the electoral bonds. So trading, can I buy, sell these bonds? No, no option is available. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and please share with your friends also.